students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today for class 10 students we are going to discuss assignment number 29 on differentiation. In particular, today we are going to discuss problems based on parametric differentiation. Okay, let us start with the first question. If x is equal to a times of 1 minus cos t, y is equal to a times of t plus sin t, then dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 2. Why should I call this particular differentiation as parametric differentiation? Because if you take x is a function in t is a parameter. Similarly, y is a function in t. But he is asking us to find out derivative of y with respect to x. So to find out derivative of y with respect to x, we have to understand what is the derivative of x with respect to t. Basically, with respect to the parameter, what is dx, what is the change in x we have to observe, that is dx by dt. Similarly, with respect to t, what is the change in y, that is dy by dt. Both of them we find out, then we can go for dy by dx. Okay, so with respect to the parameter we are differentiating first, then we are finding the value of dy by dx. That is the reason why this particular case is called as parametric differentiation, right? Let us start. Let us find out dx by dt. What is dx by dt for us? A times of derivative of 1 is 0 and cos t derivative is minus sin t. So minus of minus becomes plus sin t. So the value is here a sin t. Similarly, dy by dt let us find out. What is dy by dt? A times of derivative of t1 plus derivative of sin t is cos t. Okay. Now what do you need now? You need dy by dx. That is given as dy by dy dx by dt. Okay, that is otherwise dy by dt is a times of 1 plus cos t by a times of sin t. So a cancels. We are left with 1 plus cos t by sin t. But what is he asking? Dy by dx at t pi by 2. So at t is equal to pi by 2. What is dy by dx? That is the question. So that is nothing but 1 plus cos t value pi by 2 we have to write. So cos pi by 2 is 0. 1 plus 0 upon sin pi by 2 is 1. So the answer is 1 by 1, that is 1. So 1 is the answer for this question. That is nothing but third option, that is the right answer. Fine. Let us see the next question. Here also we are given x and y as the functions in time t, where t is a parameter. Here also we have to apply the same concept. First find out dx by dt, that is a times of minus sin t, because derivative of cos t is minus sin t, plus here we have it as a product of two functions t and sin t. So UV rule or product rule we have to apply. So first function into derivative of sin t cos t, that is second function, plus sin t into derivative of time 1 t 1. Okay, so that is minus sin t plus sin t cancels and we are left with a t cos t. That is the value of dx by dt for us. Similarly, let us find out dy by dt. Dy by dt is nothing but a times of sin t derivative is cos t minus, again here we have product of two functions. So product rule, t into derivative of cos t minus sin t. Okay, plus of minus of course minus cos t into derivative of t 1. So here plus cos t minus cos t cancels and we are left with a t sin t. That is dy by dt for us. Therefore, under root of what is asked, dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square. This is what he is asking us. That is under root of, yes, a square t square cos square t plus a square t square sin square t. Okay, so both of these two terms have a square t square common. Let us take it common, then find it, bring it out of root, so it becomes mod a t. Under root of cos square t plus sin square t, that is nothing but 1. So finally the result is modulus a t. Mod a t is nothing but second option for us. That is the right answer. Let us see the next question. If x is equal to 3at by 1 plus t square, y is equal to 3at square by 1 plus t square, what is dy by dx? Similar kind of question. So first let us find out dx by dt. Dx by dt means u by v rule, because it is in the form of f of t by g of t, means quotient rule we have to apply. So what to get? Denominator into derivative of numerator, that is 3a, minus numerator into derivative of denominator, that is 2t, by denominator whole square. So 1 plus t square whole square. This is the rule. So if I simplify that, it is going to be 3a plus 3a t square minus 6a t square upon 1 plus t square whole square. So that value is 3a minus 3a t square by 1 plus t square whole square. That is the value of dx by dt. Similarly, let us find out dy by dt. dy by dt is given as same way, 1 plus t square into derivative of numerator, that is 6a t minus 3a t square numerator to derivative of denominator, that is 2t by 1 plus t square whole square. Further simplification, this is 6a t plus 6a t times of t square, that is 6a t cube minus here also it is 6a t cube by 1 plus t square whole square. So these two terms will cancel because one is plus and other is minus with same magnitude. So what is the resultant answer? 6a t by 1 plus t square whole square. That is the value of dy by dt for us. But what do you need finally? Dy by dx. What is dy by dx? dy by dt by dx by dt. Okay. So what is dy by dt for us? 6a by 1 plus t square whole square by 3a minus 3a t square by 1 plus t square whole square. Anyway, both denominators are same, they will cancel and we are left with 3a minus 3a t square. So that is otherwise 6a t upon, in denominator what is the term common? 3a is common. So if you take 3a common, we are going to have 1 minus t square. So a cancels, 3 1s are and 3 2s are. Finally we are left with 2t by 1 minus t square. That is the value of dy by dx. 2t by 1 minus t square is nothing but first option for us. That is the right answer. Fine. Let us see the last question. If e power x is equal to root over 1 plus t minus root over 1 minus t by root over 1 plus t plus root over 1 minus t. Similarly, tan y by 2 is given as root over 1 minus t by 1 plus t. Then what is dy by dx at t by t 1 by 2? Interesting question. First let us take t as cos 2 theta. Why should I take cos 2 theta? If I take cos 2 theta, this function becomes a simple function. Similarly, here also it becomes a simple function. So substitution we have to use here. If t is cos 2 theta, then theta value also you can find out. Theta is equal to, because t is 1 by 2 here. T 1 by 2 means cos 2 theta is 1 by 2. 2 theta is pi by 3. Theta is pi by 6. This is a useful result. We will see it later. Now, if t is equal to cos 2 theta, what e power x becomes as? E power x is equal to root over 1 plus cos 2 theta. That is nothing but root 2 cos theta. So we can simply write it as cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. If you apply multiple and submultiple angles concept, root over 1 plus cos 2 theta becomes 2 cos square theta. So root 2 here and root 2 here, because it becomes 2 sin square theta under root. So root 2 sin theta. Here root 2 cos theta plus root 2 sin theta. Throughout root 2 will cancel. We are left with cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. That is otherwise we can write as tan pi by 4 minus theta. Because if you divide both numerator and denominator with cos theta, you are going to have 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. That is tan pi by 4 minus theta, right? That is the value of e power x. Similarly, what is y also let us find out. First let us find out dx by here theta. With respect to theta we are trying to find out. So d by d theta of e power x let us find out. D by d theta of e power x. Because here the function is in terms of theta. So parameter is theta here. So d by d theta of e power x let us find out. That is nothing but secant square of pi by 4 minus theta into derivative of pi by 4 minus theta is minus 1. So that is otherwise e power x into dx by d theta, chain rule, that is equal to minus secant square pi by 4 minus theta. Okay, therefore I can say dx by d theta is nothing but minus e power minus x secant square of pi by 4 minus theta. This is the value of dx by d theta. Similarly, what to find out? Dy by d theta also we have to find out. Fine. So tan y by 2, let us see here. Tan y by 2 is given by tan under root of 1 minus t by 1 plus t. This is what is given. See there. Tan y by 2 is under root of 1 minus t by 1 plus t. So here also we have to take t as cos 2 theta. Just now we have taken, that implies tan y by 2 becomes tan 1 minus t is root 2 sin square theta by 2 cos square theta. 2 cancels, and finally you are going to have tan theta. Tan of here, tan, this is under root of, so this is 1 minute. There is no tan here, isn't it? So this is not there, root over, that's all. So it is simply tan theta for us. So tan y by 2 is tan theta. It implies y by 2, one of the possibilities is y by 2 is theta. Y by 2 is theta. This is what we can take. So y by 2 value, even this, let us try to take y by 2 is nothing but pi by 6 for us. Already we have seen here, theta is pi by 6. So pi by 2 is also pi by 6. That is also important for us. Let us keep it aside. Now, next one more thing. If at all tan y by 2 is equal to tan theta, both the sides let us differentiate with respect to theta. Then we have secant square y by 2 into 1 by 2 into dy by d theta, that is equal to secant square theta plus. Because dy by d theta we need. That implies dy by d theta value is going to be secant square y by 2 into 2. If we transpose it, it becomes 2 into cos square y by 2 into secant square theta upon, that's all. That is the answer, because it is transposing to the other side. Now, therefore, what you need now? dy by dx. That is nothing but dy by d theta by dx by d theta. That is nothing but 2 cos square y by 2 into secant square theta upon, here, what is dx by d theta for us? Minus e power minus x secant square pi by 4 minus theta, minus e power minus x secant square pi by 4 minus theta. Right? Now, what we have to find out is, what is the value of e power minus x? We have to find out, and we have to substitute, because at theta, at t is equal to 1 by 2, the result is asked. So for that sake, what I am trying to do is, see here, he is asking dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 2. Okay, at t is equal to pi by 2 he is asking. So according to that, let us try to simplify. Now, okay, now we have to find out what is e power minus x value, what is the value of 2 cos square y by 2 into secant square theta, for theta is equal to pi by 6 and y by 2 is pi by 6. Fine. And secant square pi by 4 minus theta. All these values we have to substitute. Now, so dy by dx, yet t is equal to 1 by 2. That is, theta is equal to pi by 6. That is equal to 2 into cos square y by 2. Cos square y by 2 is cos square pi by 6 into secant square theta is pi by 6 by e power minus x. What is the value of minus e power minus x? Minus e power minus x, in the sense, we can see e power x is tan of pi by 4 minus theta. If e power x is tan of pi by 4 minus theta, what is e power minus x? E power minus x is going to be cot of pi by 4 minus theta. Cot of pi by 4 minus theta. If theta is pi by 6, if theta is pi by 6, what is this value becomes? That becomes cot of pi by 4 minus pi by 6. That is nothing but cot pi by 12. The value becomes cot pi by 12. So here the value becomes minus cot pi by 12 into, here it is secant square pi by 12, because again theta pi by 6, let us say. What is the value of cot pi by 12 into secant pi by 12? Let us find out. Okay, cot pi by 12 into secant square pi by 12. That is nothing but cos by, this is cos by sine, cos pi by 12 by sine pi by 12 into, that is 1 by cos square pi by 12. Square and cos cancels, that is, if I divide and multiply with 2, it becomes 2 by sine pi by 6. It becomes 2 by sin pi by 6. If I divide and multiply with 2, it becomes 2 sin theta cos theta upon sin 2 theta. Sin 2 times of pi by 12 is sin pi by 6. What is sin pi by 6 value for us? 1 by 2. So the whole value becomes 4 for us. This whole value becomes 4. So here, this is, here also if you look at that, these two are reciprocal functions, they will cancel. So we have this answer as 2 by minus 4. 2 by minus 4 is how much? Minus 1 by 2. So the resultant answer is minus 1 by 2 for us. Minus 1 by 2 is nothing but first option. So that is the right answer. Okay. So that is end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a great day.